Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Saad Al Quran Institute. Myself Sayyid Saad. I hope you all are good. Alhamdulillah, I am also good. Today we will read Takhti number 4, Huruf Madda Khadi Zer. This is the definition of Khadi Zer written in Urdu, but you have to memorize it in English. So I will tell you in English. First of all, we have to say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Takhti number 4, Huruf Madda Khadi Zer. Khadi Zer is equal to Ya Madda. Like Ba Khadi Zer B is equal to Ba Ya Zer B. Hamzah Khadi Zer E. Ba Khadi Zer B. Ta Khadi Zer Ti. Tha Khadi Zer Thi. Jim Khadi Zer Ji. Ha Khadi Zer Hi. Ha is read from throat. Ha Khadi Zer Hi. Kha Khadi Zer Khi. Dal Khadi Zer Di. Zal Khadi Zer Ri. Ra Khadi Zer Ri. Za Khadi Zer Zi. Seen Khadi Zer Si. Sheen Khadi Zer Shi. Saad Khadi Zer Si. Zad Khadi Zer Zi. Ta Khadi Zer Ti. Za Khadi Zer Zi. Ain Khadi Zer I. Ghain Khadi Zer Ghi. Fa Khadi Zer Fi. Qaf Khadi Zer Qi. Kaf Khadi Zer Ki. Lam Khadi Zer Li. Mim Khadi Zer Mi. Noon Khadi Zer Ni. Waw Khadi Zer Vi. Ha Khadi Zer Hi. Hamzah Khadi Zer E. Ya Khadi Zer Yi. Ya Khadi Zer Yi. Now we will read exercise of Khadi Zer. Ilafi. Hamzah Khadi Zer E. Lam Khada Zabar La. Ila. Fa Zer Fi. Ilafi. Bihi. Ibadihi. Rusulihi. Nurihi. Waqilihi. Hadhihi. Bikalimatihi. Ba Zer Bi. Kaf Zabar Ka. Bika. Lam Zer Li. Bikali. Mim Khada Zabar Ma. Bikalima. Ta Zer Ti. Bikalimati. Ha Khadi Zer Hi. Bikalimatihi. Biayatihi. Bikitabihi. Biyaminihi. Biyaminihi. Fihi. I hope you guys got to learn a lot from this video. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. And if you wanna study with me, if you wanna become Hafiz-e-Quran, then you can contact me. I will teach you through WhatsApp voice call or video call. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakallahu khaira.